our first game. Once again, our first game is Tres Marias versus Blue Ridge.
Hindi, buti ka na nga eh. Hindi, coach, buti kang tamaan.
Pasok na po, first five ng both teams.
Wala, okay lang, coach. Munti ka lang tamaan eh. Baba nga, coach eh. Nakaganon eh, oh.
Okay tayo. Black.
Blue Ridge got the ball. Turnover. Kulpa. Tuteng. Australiano to Kulpa. Kulpa, three-pointer. No good. Pili got the ball. Pass to Tina. Number 32. Traveling violation. Kulpa. Benedict with a long three-pointer. No good. Mariano dribbling. Mariano, three-pointer. No good. Rai got the ball. Second chance opportunity, no good. Hosteliero bringing down the ball to Kulpa. Kulpa back to Hosteliero. Hosteliero to Umali. Umali jumper is good. 2 points for Umali.
Napakagaan.
Mariano. Dribbling. To Pili. Pili back to Mariano. Mariano to number 32. 10 seconds to shoot. Pili to Ablasa. Ablasa jumper. No good. Number 32 got the ball. No good. Number 32 tuck in po. Tuck in po tayo. Kulpa to Hosteliero. To Teng. Back to Hosteliero. To Umali. Umali attacks. Pili got the ball. Turned over by Umali. Pili versus Hosteliero. Good move by Pili. 2 points. Blue Ridge, number 32, tuck in po. Morante, tuck in. Hosteliero to Kulpa. Kulpa, three-pointer. It's good. Kulpa. Great. Mariano. Steal by Kulpa. Kulpa running. Kulpa got fouled. Kulpa dribbling. Kulpa to Hosteliero. Hosteliero on the paint. Hosteliero. Turn over. Blue Ridge ball. Ablasa back to Mariano. Mariano bringing down the ball. To number 32, Morante. Fakes, Morante, jumper. No good. Orbito got the ball. Orbito to Mariano. Mariano attacks. Mariano lays. Good. 2 points. 1 point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 5-4. Culpa to Umali. Umali from downtown is good. 3. Umali. Mariano. Attacking. Mariano lays good. 2 points. Umali. Attacking. Umali. The rest. Marias overturned. Blue Ridge ball. Mariano. To Ablasa. Ablasa attacks the paint. Pass to Morante. Got blocked by Hosteliano, but he gets the ball again to Pili. Pili back to Orbito. Orbito, the Cobra shot is good. 2 points for Orbito. Tie game. Our official score is all 8. Culpa, bring down the ball. Culpa. 3-pointer. Culpa. It's no good. Hosteliero on the paint versus Billy. Hosteliero no good. Morante got the ball. Morante to Orbito. Orbito versus Hosteliero to Billy. Billy attacks the paint. Billy 2 points. Change 5 both teams. Good performance there by Billy. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Carlos. Dribbling. Carlos to Yuga. Yuga, 3-pointer is good. Yuga. D to Santiago. Back to D. D, back to Santiago. Santiago dribbling. Santiago to number 4. Got blocked by Lim. Debut game to ni Molly Kibong Lim. Yuga to Arroyo, to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Arroyo to his brother. 3-pointer, no good. Arroyo got the ball again to Lim. Lim, 2-pointer is good. Lim. Ermoli. D. Dribbling the ball to Santiago. Santiago, 3-pointer. No good. D got the ball. Midi for D, no good. Lim got the ball. Lim got fouled. Foul number 26, first personal foul. Three-point lead for Tres Marias. Carlos dribbling to Yuga. Yuga again, 3-pointer. No good. Mosquera got the rebound. Pass to D. D running to Santiago. Santiago versus Yuga. No good. Offensive foul, number 26. Second personal foul for number 26. Carlos. To Lim. Back to Carlos. Carlos fakes. Carlos attacks. Floater. No good. D got the rebound. Pass to Ilagan. Ilagan dribbling. Back to D. D to Mosquera. 14 seconds to shoot. Mosquera, 3-pointer. No good. Foul number 33. Pushing foul. First personal foul number 33. Carlos to Arroyo. Back to Carlos. Carlos to Yuga. Yuga attacking. To Arroyo. To Arroyo. Arroyo, 3-pointer, no good. Ilagan got the rebound. Ilagan to D. D, 3-pointer. No good. Santiago got the rebound. Santiago attacks. Santiago get fouled.
Tawag ka ni Pili. Tawag ka ni
Foul number 20. First personal foul. Solinap versus Arroyo.
Cody!
Posting, Solinap, floater, no good. Got foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw no good for Solinap. Second free throw is good for Solinap. Yuga dribbling down the ball. Yuga to Arroyo. Back to Yuga. Yuga to Arroyo again. Arroyo to Yuga again. To Carlos. Carlos, three-pointer. No good. Too much force. Blue Ridge ball. D dribbling. D. Steal by Carlos. 2v2 situation. Carlos, three-pointer. Banks it in. Three. Good shot by Carlos. D dribbling. To Santiago. Santiago tries answering back. No good. Carlos got the rebound. Carlos to Yuga. 2v1 situation. Yuga on the paint. Yuga. Back shot is good. 2 points for Yuga. D to Mosquera. Mosquera to Ilagan. Ilagan. No good. Arroyo got the rebound. Arroyo. To Arroyo. To Arroyo again. Arroyo to Yuga. Yuga attacks. Yuga to Lim. Fakes. Lim. No good. D got the ball. 3v2 situation. D. No foul call. Carlos got the ball. Carlos. Three-pointer. No good. Mosquera got the rebound. Mosquera to D. D, three-pointer, wide open. No good. Solinap got the rebound. Solinap got fouled.
Cuts! Cuts!
Foul number 8. First personal foul number 8. Third team foul.
Gaan.
7-point lead for Tres Marias. First free throw no good for Solinap. Second free throw no good for Solinap. Yuga running. Yuga attacks. Yuga shots no good. Blue Ridge ball. 15 seconds. Still. Yuga. D got the ball again. Yuga got the ball again. Carlos, three-pointer is good. 3 by Carlos. End of the first quarter. Three-pointer to end the game. The first quarter by Carlos. Start of our second quarter. Raimundo, their point guard, pass to Almazan. Almazan, back to Raimundo. Raimundo to Costeliero. Costeliero to Raimundo. Raimundo fakes. Raimundo floater is good. 2 points. Great move by Raimundo. Mariano to Sardea. Sardea dribbling. To number 32, Morate. No good. Pili get the rebound. Pili on the paint. Pili 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Pili. Bonus free throw is good for Pili. 9-point lead for Tres Marias. Raimundo dribbling. To Almazan. Almazan 3 is good. Mariano dribbling. Mariano to Morante. Morante, easy 2 points. Great pass. Raimundo dribbling. Raimundo to Almazan. Almazan, 3-pointer. Oh, good. Morata got the rebound to Mariano. Mariano to Orbito. Orbito got the ball. Orbito to Pili. 14 seconds to shoot. Sardea to Orbito. Got fouled. Foul number 13. First personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Orbito to Sardea. To Morate. Morate, jumper. No good. Orbito got the rebound. Cobra shot by Orbito. 2 points. Raimundo to his father. Raimundo. Raimundo to Hosteliero. Hosteliero being double team. Hosteliero. No good. Mariano got the ball. Mariano running. Mariano to Pili. Great pass. Pili 2 points with the top board. 6-point lead for Tres Marias. Hosteliero attacking. Hosteliero got fouled. Foul number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Hosteliero. First free throw no good for Hosteliero. Ay, puta dito. Second free throw is good for Hosteliero. 7-point lead for Tres Marias. Mariano to Sardea. Sardea to Morate. Morate fakes. Morate to Pili. Pili being defended by Raimundo. Pili got fouled again. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Second, 2 free throws for Pili. First free throw no good for Pili. Second free throw no good for Pili. Almazan dribbling down the ball. Almazan. Mariano got the ball. Still. Mariano running. Mariano 2 points with a foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias. Bonus free throw for Mariano. Bonus free throw no good. Pili got the rebound. Pili no good. Pili got the rebound again. Pili got fouled again. Foul number 12. First personal foul number 12. Timeout, Tres Marias. Tres Marias penalty. Five-point lead for Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. 2 free throws for Pili.
Manap ko na,
First free throw is good for Billy. Second free throw is good for Billy. Both free throws is good. Raimundo to Almazan. Almazan all alone. It's good. Three-pointer Almazan. Mariano to Billy. Billy attacks. Billy got blocked by Hosteliero. Raimundo running. 2v2 situation. Raimundo ang tapang pero hindi pumasok. Billy running. Billy gigil. Billy on the paint. Billy great move. 2 points by Billy. Almazan to Raimundo. Raimundo. Deep pass. Mariano got the ball. Mariano versus Almazan. Mariano lay 2 points. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Blue Ridge got their momentum. Hosteliero on the paint. Hosteliero 2 points. Morante dribbling. Morante to Mariano. Mariano surveying the D. Mariano 3-pointer. No good. Mariano got the rebound. Mariano 2 points. What a move. Hosteliero being defended by Mariano to Raimundo. Raimundo to his father. Raimundo no good. Orbito got the rebound. Morante to Billy. Same ball. Both teams change wide. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Their first 5 got the momentum. D to Santiago. Ilagan, jumper. No good. Carlos get the ball. Carlos dribbling. Carlos to Peb Arroyo. Arroyo to Umali. Umali being defended by D. Umali to Carlos. Carlos 3-pointer. No good. Santiago got the ball. Santiago to Mosquera. Mosquera being double team. Pass to D. D. 3-pointer. No good. Umali got the rebound. Umali. Deep pass. D got the ball. D to Santiago. Santiago to Ilagan. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 21. Bonus free throw is no good for Ilagan. Seconds to shoot. Umali, 3-pointer. No good. Santiago got the rebound. Santiago, loose ball. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos all alone. 2 points. D to Ilagan. Overturn. Carlos to Culpa. Culpa back to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer. It's good. With a foul. 4-point play opportunity for Carlos. Foul number 24. Bonus free throw for Carlos. Bonus free throw, no good. D to Mosquera. Mosquera attacks. Mosquera to Solinap. Great find there by Mosquera. 2 points for Solinap. Culpa. Dribbling. Culpa to Umali. Umali, 3-pointer. Dishes it in. Great 3 points by Umali. Mosquera back to Santiago. Santiago to D. D to Mosquera to Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Solinap. Solinap floater. No good. Ilagan got the rebound. Ilagan versus Shiro Celiero. Got fouled. Ilagan. Foul number 6. First personal foul for number 6. Penalty. 2 free throws for Ilagan. First free throw is good for Ilagan. Sorry, correction. No basket daw po. Nakatapak sa line. Second free throw is good for Ilagan. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, corner three, no good. Ilagan get the rebound. Ilagan running. Ilagan. Ilagan got the ball. No good. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos all alone. 3-pointer, no good. Santiago got the rebound. 5-point lead for Tres Marias. D running. D attacks. D. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for D, number 33. Bonus free throw is good for number 33. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Culpa dribbling to Umali. Umali 3-pointer again. It's good. Umali 3. Timeout. Blue Ridge. 5-point lead for Tres Marias.
Magandaan! Hindi, maganda. Maganda. Maganda.
Back to the ball game. Santiago got the ball, dribbling. Santiago being double team. Mosquera to Ilagan. Ilagan to D, being defended by Celiero. D to Santiago. Santiago to Ilagan. To D. D. No good. D got the ball again. 2 seconds. Ilagan. Arroyo got the rebound. Carlos. Dribbling. Carlos running. Carlos attacks. Carlos 2 points. Pinasayaw. Santiago to Solinap. Pep Arroyo. Steal. Arroyo to Carlos. Carlos 3-pointer. No good. Culpa got the rebound. Culpa got fouled. Foul number 26. Third personal foul number 26. Third team foul. First free throw is good for Culpa.
Alright, tulong na sa bola, tulong na, natrap.
Second free throw is good for Culpa. D. To Ilagan. Ilagan to Santiago. Santiago attacking. Santiago. Foul number 21. Second personal foul for Arroyo, number 21. First free throw is good for Santiago. Second free throw no good for Santiago. Umali. Kukulpa. Kulpa to Shiro Celero. Jumper no good. D. Being defended by Kulpa. D. To Solinap. Solinap on the paint. Solinap. 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Carlos Floater is good. 2 points. Carlos ended the second quarter again with his 2 points. 8-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 49-41. End of our first half.
Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box with the most.
Back to the ball game.
Wala na sa bola.
18-point lead for Tres Marias. Their biggest lead. Mariano. Pinoy step. No good, Mariano again. No good, Mariano again. Steal. Ostellero got the ball. Ostellero. Steal by D. D to Mariano. To Solinap. 2 points. Mariano wants the assist. Bulpa. To Umali. Umali. 3-pointer. No good. Pili got the rebound. To D. D. Running. D. D. To Morante. No good. Great point. But can't convert it. Culpa. Runs to Yuga. Yuga. To Culpa. To Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos. Attacks. Carlos dribbling. Carlos. Jumper. Is good. Carlos. Got technical. Number 8, technical. Too much celebration. Kasi sinayaw ang kalaban. Technical free throw is good for D. Point lead for Tres Marias. Pili versus Ostellero. No good. Carlos got the ball. Carlos to Culpa. Culpa. Open lane. 2 points for Culpa. D. 2 points. Substitution. Culpa. To Raimundo, back to Culpa. Culpa, 3-pointer. It's good. Culpa. 3. Mariano. D couldn't get the pass. Overturned by Blue Ridge. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos, long 3-pointer. No good. Santiago got the rebound. Santiago to D. To Pili. Pili. 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Bonus free throw for Pili. Shiro Ostellero. Bonus free throw is good for Pili. Culpa, dribbling. Culpa. To Shiro Ostellero. Shiro Ostellero no good. Great find there by Culpa. Pili, 1, 2 points. Is good with a foul. Repus foul. Foul number 21. Third personal foul for number 21. Bonus free throw no good for Pili. Culpa. To Raimundo. Raimundo to Arroyo. To Culpa again. Culpa! 3-pointer no good. Blue Ridge ball. Our next game. Big C versus Marquis. Mariano surveying the D. Steal by Culpa. Culpa got fouled. Foul number 33. Second personal foul number 33. Penalty. Two free throws for Culpa. First free throw is good for Culpa. Second free throw no good for Culpa. D to Pili. Pili attacking. Pili being defended by Shiro Steliero. Pili got fouled. Foul number 6. Third personal foul number 6. Third team foul. Two free throws for Cody Pili. First free throw is good for Cody Pili. Second free throw is good for Cody Pili. Raimundo to Culpa. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan, three-pointer is good. Almazan. Raining threes. D to Pili. Steal by Culpa. Culpa running. Culpa stop to Shiro Steliero spins. Shiro Steliero got fouled. Foul number 77. Second personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws for Shiro Steliero. Timeout, Blue Ridge. Correction, sub lang po pala. Sub lang po, correction. Sorry. Second free throw is good for Shiro Steliero. D being defended by Culpa. D. To Mosquera, to Pili. Pili no good. Shiro got the rebound. Steal by Pili. To Santiago, 2 points. Mr. Contact Lens. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan, 3-pointer again. No good. Shiro got the rebound. Double. D to Santiago. Santiago being defended by Raimundo. To Mosquera, to Pili. Pili on the paint. Pili attacks. Pili, 2 points for Pili. Culpa dribbling, being defended by D. To Almazan. Almazan back to Culpa. Culpa to Almazan. Jumper. No good. Ilagan got the rebound. Culpa got the ball. Culpa attacks. Deep pass. Same ball. 15-point lead for Tres Marias. Steal by D. D got fouled. Foul number 21. Fourth personal foul number 21. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias. 2 free throws for D. First free throw is good for D. Second free throw is good for D. 13-point lead for Tres Marias. Almasan. Culpa got the ball. 10 seconds. Blocked shot. 3.8 seconds time remaining. Raimundo to Arroyo. Great pass. Arroyo, 2 points. 15-point lead for Tres Marias. We are heading to the final quarter.
Suga konti. Suga konti. Hindi po nakita yung wala. Hindi po kita po dito.
Start of the final quarter. D to Santiago. Santiago attacking. Bad pass. But Pili got the ball. Pili spins. Pili, 2 points. Bank shot is good. Carlos. Being defended by D. Carlos. To Hosteliero. Hosteliero no good. Pili got the rebound. Foul number 23. First personal foul number 23. First team foul. Santiago to D. Santiago, 3-pointer, no good. Good hustle by Pili, he got the ball. Solinap to Mariano. Reverse delay, no good. Santiago, no good. Pili got the ball. Pili, 2 points. Carlos being defended by D. Carlos. Hosteliero got the ball. Hosteliero to Umali. Umali, midi is good. Umali, 2 points. Mr. Automatic. D. To Mariano. Mariano got fouled. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Santiago, 3-pointer again. No good. Almasan got the rebound. Almasan to Umali. Umali running. Umali attacks. Traveling violation. Santiago to D. D. Dribbling. D. To Solinap. Solinap versus Hosteliero. Spin shot is good. Solinap, 2 points. 11-point lead by Tres Marias. Carlos defended by D. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Umali. Umali from downtown. It's good. Umali, 3 points. D running. D to Pili. Pili versus Hosteliero. Pili, 2 points. Pili. Point lead for Tres Marias. Carlos being defended by D. Carlos dribbling, being double teamed. Carlos Umali to Hosteliero. Great pass. Hosteliero, 2 points. to Pili, 2 points. Great pass then again. Carlos being defended by D. Carlos dribbling. Carlos to Lim. Lim. 2 points. Ermoli. D to Solinap. Solinap. 2 points. Carlos. Dribbling, Carlos. Carlos to Almazan. Almazan. To Hostelero. Hostelero. 2 points. Hostelero. D. Bring down the ball. D. He pass. Santiago got the ball to Pili. Pili. 2 points. Pili.
Pare kung sa depensa, wala sa gitna ng ulo.
Carlos. Dribbling. Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos. Hostelero. Hostelero. No good. Pili got the rebound. Pili to Mariano. 3v1. Mariano. 2 points. Great move. 10-point lead. Carlos to Umali. Umali dribbling. To Carlos. Carlos. To Lim. Lim. Kobe. 2 points. Lim. D. To Mariano. Mariano attacks. Mariano to Solinap. Great D by Lim. But Santiago got the rebound. To Pili. Pili. Got fouled. Ref last foul po. Number 8, Carlos, third personal foul. Third, warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Pili. Correction. 30 foul pa lang po. First free throw is good for Pili. Second free throw is good for Pili. Substitution. Carlos being defended by D. Carlos dribbling. Carlos dribbling. Steal. D. Too much force on the pass. Kulpa being defended by D. Kulpa surveying the D. To Carlos. Carlos no good. Hostelero got the rebound. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Yuga. To Hostelero. 5 seconds to shoot. Still. D to Mariano. Mariano dunks it. 2 points. Carlos. Surveying the D. Carlos to Culpa. Culpa! Long 3-pointer. No good. Pili got the rebound. Pili to Santiago. Santiago being defended by Hostelero. Got double teamed. Santiago To Solinap to Pili. Pili versus Slim. Pili, 2 points. Blue Ridge got their momentum. Carlos surveying the D. Tosteliero, 10 seconds to shoot. Tosteliero to Yuka. Corner 3, no good. Pili got the rebound. Pili to Santiago. To Mariano. Mariano dribbling. Mariano to D. 14 seconds to shoot. Still Tosteliero. 3v1. Carlos lays 2 points with a foul. Foul number 33. Third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Umali in. Hermoli out. Bonus free throw for Carlos. Bonus free throw no good. Pili got the ball. D bringing down the ball. D to Santiago. Santiago to Mariano. Mariano fakes. Mariano attacks. Mariano floater is good. 2 points. Six-point lead for Tres Marias. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos fakes. Wins. Carlos. Pili got the ball. To Ilagan. Ilagan to Mariano. Mariano to D. D. 2 points. 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 95-91. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Yuga. Tosteliero. 5 seconds to shoot. Tosteliero jumper. No good. Mariano got the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Mariano jumper is good. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. Our official score is 95-93. Blue Ridge got the momentum. Carlos being defended by Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos, long three. No good. Posteliero got the rebound. Posteliero being defended by Pili. Posteliero, no good. Carlos got the ball. To Culpa. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Carlos. Carlos attacks. Carlos. Lay. Niolo. 2 points. To Santiago. Santiago attacks. Santiago got the ball again to Mariano. Mariano. Loose ball, but Ilagan got the ball. No good. Mariano got the ball again. Mariano got fouled. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Mariano. First free throw no good for Mariano. Official time is 56.8 seconds remaining. Second free throw is good for Mariano. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Culpa to Carlos. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. All back. Correction. Loose ball foul. Foul number 8. Third personal foul number 8. Penalty.
Friendship foul, foul.
Paulus ball, Paulus ball.
Penalty. Penalty.
Penalty na ba tayo?
Penalty. Loose ball foul. Penalty.
Carlos, ang foul.
Carlos, apat ka na po. 2 free throws per team. First free throw is good for D. Second free throw no good for D. 2-point lead for Tres Marias. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Umali, Miti, no good. Castellero with a putback and a foul. Foul number 26. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout, Blue Ridge.
Ano kaya tayo mo nila? Ilan ba?
Players po, coach lang po ang nakatayo. Bonus free throw for Castellero. Bonus free throw no good. Tres Marias got the ball. Foul. Foul number 33. Fourth personal foul. No penalties. 12.8 seconds remaining on the clock. Timeout. Tres Marias. What a game. Both teams, meron pa po kayong tig-isang timeout. Remaining time is 12.8 seconds. Our official score is 99-95. And for our next game is Marquis versus Big Z. Baklo. .8 seconds remaining on the clock. Official score is 99-95. Number 33. Graduate number 33. Graduate na po, number 33. Nagsabi po kanina na fourth na siya. .6 seconds remaining. Foul number 29. Second personal foul. Penalty. Both teams penalty. 2 shots for Culpa. First free throw is good for Culpa. Second free throw is good for Culpa. Timeout, Blue Ridge. 6-point lead for Tres Marias. Time remaining 8.4 seconds on the clock. Back to the ball game. Seconds remaining on the clock. Santiago to Sardea. Sardea face. Sardea. 3-pointer. No good. Sardea again. No good. Tres Marias got their W. Our final score is 101-95. Both teams feature Pomona. And our next game is Marquis versus Big Z S Boys. Grrr.